Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a competitive exam based problem on average. The average score of boys in an examination of a school is 71 and that of girls is 73. The average score of the school in the examination is 71.8. Find the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls who appeared for the examination. So here they are given the average score of boys, that is 71, and that of girls is 73. Now average score of the school is also given, that is 71.8. So we are supposed to find the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls. So let me take the number of boys to be X and that of the girls to be Y. We know that average is nothing but total by number of observations. Or in other words, total is nothing but average into number of observations. So let me find the total number of boys first. So for the boys, total number of boys equal to average into number of observations. Average given to be 71 and the number of boys we have taken as X. So 71X. And for the girls, so total number of girls is nothing but 73Y because average is given to be 73 and the number of girls you have taken as Y. So 73Y. Average score of the school is given to be 71.8. Now mathematically if I have to write, it's nothing but 71X plus 73Y by X plus Y equal to 71.8. My next step will be, I'm just going to take the X plus Y to the other side. So 71X plus 73Y equal to 71.8X plus 71.8Y. Now collect all the Y's together and X together. So I get 73Y minus 71.8Y equal to 71.8X minus 71X. When I subtract, I get 1.2Y equal to 0.8X. Now if I write this in terms of X by Y, I get 1.2 by 0.8. If I remove the point, I get X by Y equal to 12 by 8. Now let me cancel by 4. Now it goes by 4 3s and 4 2s. Therefore, the ratio of number of boys to the girls is nothing but 3:2. So friends, was this interesting and easy? Then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.